everyone, and welcome back to English Minds, the podcast where learning English feels natural, comfortable, and actually fun. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Mark. Hello, Emily. Hello to all our listeners around the world. Whether you're relaxing at home, walking outside, or studying at your desk, thank you for spending your time with us.
Today's episode is cozy, simple, and perfect for beginners. We're talking about something everyone does every single day, our daily routine at night.
Yes, night routines are one of the easiest ways to practice English because the vocabulary is simple, the actions are familiar, and it's something you can use immediately in real life.
Exactly. So today, we'll walk you through a full evening, coming home, eating dinner, relaxing, getting ready for bed, and sleeping. We'll also share real conversations, vocabulary explanations, extra examples, and a fun practice quiz.
And of course, a few jokes. Because what is English Minds without jokes?
Absolutely. So get comfortable. If you're listening at night, perfect. If you're listening during the day, well, now you'll be ready for tonight. Blue Section 1, Natural Warm-Up Chat. All right, Emily, let's start with something simple. How was your night yesterday? It was actually really nice. I made a cup of chamomile tea, turned on some soft music, and tried to relax.
Sounds very peaceful.
It was until I remembered I had laundry in the washing machine from the morning.
Oh no, the classic forgotten laundry problem.
Exactly. I opened the machine and just stared at it. You know that moment when your brain says, I don't want to deal with this right now?
Oh yes, 100% relatable.
But I did it anyway. I dried the clothes, folded them, and then I finally relaxed.
Very responsible. My night was the opposite. I cooked dinner, sat down for 5 minutes, and then 2 hours disappeared.
Let me guess, you were watching videos.
Yes, I watched a documentary, a cooking tutorial, a cat video, and somehow a video about dinosaurs.
How did you end up watching dinosaurs?
I don't know. The internet is dangerous at night. 1 minute you're watching food, the next minute you're learning about prehistoric animals.
And then your sleep schedule is destroyed.
Exactly. What time did you sleep yesterday?
Around 11 p.m., I tried reading before bed, but my eyes kept closing.
A sign of maturity.
Or just aging.
Same thing.
Part 1. Coming home in the evening. Let's start with the beginning of the evening, Mark. Coming home after a long day. What do you usually do first?
When I get home, the very first thing I do is take off my shoes. I don't know why, but I cannot feel relaxed until my shoes are gone.
Same. Shoes off, keys on the table, bag on the chair. That's my routine.
Then I walk straight to the kitchen to drink water. I'm always thirsty at the end of the day.
Hydration is important. I usually wash my hands first and then change into comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes are the highlight of the evening.
Exactly. Jeans off, pajamas on, happiness begins.
I agree completely.
Part 2. Dinner time. So, what about dinner? When do you usually eat?
Around 8 p.m. If I'm tired, I order something easy. If I have energy, I cook, but energy is not very common.
So, ordering food is the usual option.
Yes. Pizza, noodles, sometimes a salad if I'm pretending to be healthy.
I usually eat earlier, around 7:15 or 7:30. I like simple meals in the evening, soup, pasta, rice with vegetables.
That sounds balanced. I need to start eating like that.
You should try. Light dinners help you sleep better.
True. Heavy food makes you feel like a sleepy elephant.
Exactly. Part 4.
Evening activities, productive or lazy?
Do you do anything productive at night?
Sometimes it depends on my mood. If I feel energetic, I clean the kitchen, do laundry, or plan for the next day. If I feel lazy, nothing happens.
Totally understandable. Some nights are productive, some nights are recovery nights.
Exactly. What about you?
I usually tidy up a bit. I don't like waking up to a messy room. Then I sometimes read or write in a journal.
Wow, journaling at night is a great habit.
It helps me clear my mind. Otherwise, I go to bed thinking about 10,000 things.
Oh, yes, that's very relatable.
Part 5. Getting ready for bed. Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my night skincare.
Oh, yes. Your famous 12-step skincare routine.
Not 12 steps, maybe 4 steps?
That's still impressive. For me, it's wash face, brush teeth, done.
Simple and effective.
I also like to stretch a little bit, just for 1 or 2 minutes.
That's actually very healthy.
It helps my back after sitting all day.
Makes sense. Part 6. Winding down and sleeping. When do you sleep?
I try to sleep around 10:30 or 11 p.m. I'm not always successful.
Let me guess. Your brain doesn't want to stop?
Exactly. My brain wants to discuss everything I did since 2008.
That's very relatable. Sometimes I read before bed. Sometimes I listen to meditation or white noise.
I usually watch something calm, nature videos, quiet documentaries, or relaxing music.
Those are great for sleep.
Then I turn off the lights and hope for the best.
Same. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this long, natural conversation helped you learn useful English expressions about evening routines.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. And thank you for spending your time with us. Remember, your English doesn't improve in one big moment. It improves in small, simple steps every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Minds.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well.